Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add birthday on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the edit button at the top right corner of your screen. Look for the date of birth option and tap on it. Use the slider to select your birthday. Finally, tap on the Done button in the top right corner to save your changes. And this is how you can add birthday on Telegram.
Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.